Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Blakwa, Ghana's ranking member on Foreign Affairs Committee and member of Parliament, the good people of Northton in the Volta region, not meaning Indian Combo and pay. Honorable, with all your indulgence, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Speaker. Nyamiadomo, Pachana,
Happy Easter.
Many happy returns.
Thank you.
Member Kessben for and a for belated happy Easter.
Yeah, that's it. The audio salary, your constituency, and the money be brawy in and ye do it at the appropriate time. You know, be dear and who you know, some combo.
That's it.
But I'll pay the forward here. And Brian himself on behalf of Moan Kasamo lawyers, are filing an application seeking to injunct the implementation of E-Levy. Mamintio. With the key rationale behind the Supreme Court, Mwakoi, try and say, move to me a place injunction, Wabra, GRA, into me and take up the implementation of E-Levy.
Yo, Medasipa, Maminchia, Tiafonina, Tiafobe Kaya, on the 30th of March, and Mene, the Honorable Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu, and Minya Mahama Yariga, ye call Supreme Court filing a substantive case on the 30th of March. Substantive case and now main case now ye filing on the 30th of March. Ye catch Supreme Court say the Akoso of Parliament on the 29th March. That is the previous day. A year unconstitutional. The Supreme Court and Kasa. On more recent case, or more decided on the 9th of March, the Justice Abdullahi case.
Yeah.
Or more say for a parliamentary decision to be constitutional, we hear MPs 138. That is half of 275 MPs, according to Article 1041 of the Constitution. And they withdrew the attention of the Apex Court. Say, walk it out. Now, I can't. NIPA 136 on the MPP side. And yet constitutional, and yet legal, totally null and void. Say, NIPA and MPs 136, an inferior number to the threshold required of 138. We drew the attention of the court, sir, on the 26th of November, 137 NDC MPs, we have rejected the 2022 budget. Supreme Court in the Abdullahi case, sir, we didn't have the numbers. We drew 138. We are making the point, sir, MPs are 137. They need the numbers. They don't meet 138. In the decision now you take here on the 26th of November 2021. It is unconstitutional. It's null and void, as the Supreme Court held. Then how is it possible, sir? An inferior number it's a chain. The 137, 136 can then claim, sir, or more. Pass E-Levy because Ubekaya Sadan 29th March na Yeniaba the Honorable Sarah Josafo na Uni Parliament.
Okay.
The Honorable Kojokum, Chieftaincy Minister, Hunter West MP, on also Amba Parliament Wamba Chamber. Yet he said na or ambulance and later modern call the clinic at the parliamentary clinic. But that is not the chamber of Parliament. OSHA constitutional provision now as present and voted. So what in our own standing orders, order 48, say Yabetuaba Nasa Obi Erezi MPS or Erezi Kuroma. The speaker instructs said the bell should be rung. And within 10 minutes, the beer war within the princes, APA who car, who office, who clinic, who restaurant, urinal. You have to move out and come to the chamber to be present and voting. And review video footage Yeah, and the same situation was the case as we walked out. It was 136. Omuteki decisions. Then second reading, consideration stage, third reading. All those decision-making points, now Omuhia MPs 138. They didn't have that. And that is a substantive case. But you violate that case on the 30th. Up to now, you date Chief Justice on panel here. We have not been told when the hearing will commence.
Okay.
Now, so we have noticed a buying announcement say 1st May 1st May E-Levy almost started almost move into implementation. Yehu GRA also more publish notice to the general public. What paper more Kessben obi about the rule say 1st May Ghana for nyina omunya crado say E-Levy buying J.S.A. and no na yetena se ka say the air cost we don't go back to the Supreme Court. Now Yanko filing an application for an injunction. Then we will be sitting on our rights. And one show you at the time on the free case, now the harm we are trying to prevent, say Ghanaians should not pay this unconstitutional levy. Now the harm has been caused already. And Abain so Oji Osika, it will be very difficult to get a refund. Because Abain to me say Osikana Meje ABA media tier salaries. And I said media kwako see a quine be and now media kwako see hospital be and ABA media kwako rent luxury jets be. I'm a president they are too quite empty. Sikano and yeah available. And because of that, Interna and Dra Johnny call Supreme Court say we now want an injunction on the government GR for Omunyana Omopese Omu implement E-Levy pending the determination of the substantive case. It is fortunately Yanya 4th May as the hearing date. The lawyers will tell you, sir, once you file application for injunction and then you notify the parties what serve you Omunyana it serves as a stay. We don't expect say GRA4 and Ministry of Finance and telcos 1st May way Obia Bekwakoji Obisika say E-Levy to.
Yes, I don't know soon because if implementation is chassis on the 1st of May, then it means automatically, it defiles the purpose for which I'm seeking injunction. But for you to say, sir, it means it serves as a stay. Once someone notify parties now a year involved with the substantive case, Supreme Court here as how do we go by that?
Yominia, that really is the position, sir.
Okay.
Who file application for injunction? That's the position of the law. Sir, who file application for injunction? Now, sir, the parties involved have been notified. It will have been a different matter, sir. ABA or Munya aware. Now, so where you are serving or more, they have been duly notified. They are aware, and this matter is also being discussed widely. Obia ETA Kessben, about all kinds of media outlets is being discussed. It's in the newspapers this morning. Want to me and Kase, Attorney General, Minim, and I'm in Tia. Want to me so and Kase, I haven't been served, and I'm in Yami copy. You cannot say that. And the education I have, we share a plethora of cases to say Republic versus High Court, Accra S Party, the Afoda case.
Okay.
And many other authorities. OSHA Republic versus High Court S Party, the PECO case. All of these cases that is the position of the law, sir. Once an injunction has been filed, you have been served. stay. The status quo must remain. And so, who undermine the judicial process, because when you move and you go ahead to implement, you are in contempt of court, and the court can take a serious view and sanction you. Contempt in this intervention, we expect a buying a comply, because you see there can be no impunity. This is a rule of law country. It's a constitutional democracy, and they have to do what is right. Until between now and the 4th of May, and the Supreme Court hear this case, there must be no implementation. And Ghana and India, because E-Levy in Tiano, you cannot fault that Ghanaian to me and charges Ghana, because it will be well within their right to defy the authority, and the authorities themselves know, so they will be in contempt if they attempt to force an implementation before the 4th of May.
Okay, but aside the Attorney General, who is a key party to this case, when will be the parties or more responses in court?
You say Attorney General or no, a buying lawyer or no, or representing all of these government institutions into serving and in the abundance of caution, so serving GRA4, so but really who serve Attorney General now what serve we have done that.
Okay, now in the absence of this, if say by 1st of May, you must automatically E-Levy no send this car na yatiwa. What will be the implication for the ordinary Ghanaian?
Oh, the implication will be that buying engaging in lawless conduct. Into Yantina or Hosa, Yabek Supreme Court, I draw more attention. Yabek family processes to hold the government in contempt. Into any idea, Yabek so say, 1st May, Bebana are buying. I can say they are going ahead. Maybe, I mean, this is a constitutional democracy. We are operating a rule of law regime. As I said, nobody is above the law in this country. From president, vice president, speaker, MPs, and to make us media, the 3 NDC MPs not ayano. We don't agree, we don't support it. Ubetaya and Che be a time at your power. And many of the current deputy majority leader, Winneba MP Afenyo Machin at the time, or call Supreme Court about district assembly elections. And the country had to wait. The government had to wait. The government respected, the injunction until a time that the case was determined. A new date, the EC had to even start afresh, start the whole process afresh. It was just one MP, but it's rule of law, or activated process, and you have to be law abiding. We respected it, and I will be surprised buying the try in any way to, as it were, ignore legal processes now. Trigger in this matter. I'll be really shocked, and any idea we will even allow them to do that. We will see. So if getting to the 1st of May, you will say still more running adverts. They are trying to move into implementation. Our lawyers are under strict instructions. We are monitoring the situation, and I can assure you, say any idea you better now say buy and violate the laws of our country.
Okay. Robert, my man, was say I don't pay anyone that. I'm grateful.
Yo, Mr. Medase, I'm sure.
And the Honorable Samuel Kujeta Black, North Tom Rashibidjane, one no Ekam Rashibidja for me and San, one more this assembly, at the Akodan Supreme Court. Now, as we await the hearing of that particular case and even the injunction, you better the feeding in the more at me. I go, yeah,